Hello everyone, welcome to the channel IGCSE&GCE Maths School. Today we are going to do the paper 2H of Mathematics of Edexcel IGCSE June 2022. Right. The first question. They say, we are doing the paper 2H of Mathematics of Edexcel IGCSE June 2022. Right. Okay. Paper 2H. Okay. First question. Question number 1. They say A, B, C, D are integers such that A less than, B less than, C less than D. Okay. Right. Now they have given some integers in A, B, C. A, B, C, D, D, D. Okay. Right. Okay. This is like, let's say, this is like 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, like that. Okay. If you take in values, right? For example, they are not the actual values, right? Then this is actually set of integer values, right? Then they say mod of this set of values is 9. Median of this set of values is 8. Range of this value is 4. These values is 4. These integers are 4. The range of these integers is 4. Find the values of A, B, C, D. We have to find the values of A, B, C. Okay. Now we write question 1. Now they say A less than, B less than, C less than D. The largest value is D, smallest value is A. Right. Then actually why this has been given is for us to understand the order here. Whether this is this set of the integers are in ascending order or not in any order. Right. Then they have given the set of integers A, B, C, D, D, D. Okay. Then now these are according to this order of size. This A, B, C, A is the smallest, B is the next larger, C is next larger, D is next larger. Okay, no? A, B, C, D, D, D. Then this is in ascending order. A is the smallest one, D is the largest one, right? Okay. Then okay. Then mod is the value which has occurred most times. Integer which has occurred most times is D. Therefore, mod is 9 means D is 9. From the mod we can take D is 9. Here they say mod is 9. Mod is the value which has occurred the most times. Number which has occurred most times. Term which has occurred most times. For the term which has occurred most times, D. It is D which has occurred 3 times. 3 times is the highest times any integer has occurred. Therefore, D is the mod. Here, D means 9. Here. They say mod is 9. Therefore, D is 9. Next one. Median is 8. They say median is 8. Median is 8. Median is the middle value in the middle position. Then we will find the middle position like this. Find the cancel this, cut this, cut this, cut this. There are 2 middle values. Then how you find the median? Median equals how much? When they get 2 values in the middle position, when you get 2 middle values, you add the 2 middles and divide by 2. That is how we get the median when there are 2 middle values. When there are 2 terms in the middle position. This is how we get the median in such a situation. Then what you do is, then they say that median is 8. Then equate this way. Okay. Then here's D we know from this first part, that is mod is 9. From mod we know D, that is 9. Then you substitute C plus 9 over 2 equals 8. Take 2 to other side, C plus 9. Take 2 to other side, then division by 2 into multiplication by 2. Then C plus 9 equals here 16. C equals 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9. 9 to 16, 7. Therefore, C equals 7. Okay. C is also found. C equals 7. Okay. Now, What is the next one? Next one they say range is 4. Range. They say range is 4. Range. Range equals 4. What is, how do you find range? Range equals largest minus smallest. That is how you find largest. So that's how you find the range. Range is largest value minus smallest value. What is the largest range is, they say 4. Then substitute 4 for range. The largest value is how much? Largest value is this D value. Here, this D is the largest. Then D value. D minus smallest value is A. Then 4 equals D means how much? 9 we have found already. 9 minus A. Okay, then we will find the value of A. Make the subject take minus A to this side. 4 plus A then equals 9. Then take 4 to that side, that is 9 minus 4, that is 5. That means A equals 5. Then A is also found how much? A equals 5. Now you want to find what? A equals 5. C equals 7. And D equals right. Okay, now we have found. Now we will write again this. Like this. A less than B less than C less than B. Then we have been given the values A, B, C, D, D, D. These are the integers we have been given. Right. Now we have already found D found, C found, A found. The A is 5. C is how much? 7. We have found here. Then D we have found 9, 9, 9. Okay. We have found already this. Now they say, then A, B, C are integers, they say. Here, A, B, C are integers. Integers means what? Whole number values. Then B also must be an integer. B is less than 6 but more than 8. Then A is 5, C is 7. Then you have to find the integer between 5 and 7. Only integer between 5 and 7 is 6. Okay. Then B is also is found how much? 6. Okay. Right. Because now we found the values of A, C and D by the given information here, mod, median, range. Then we know the values of the 3 integers, that is A, C, D. Then we use them to find B, because they say B is also an integer. Integer is a whole number. Then we know the 2 integers on both sides of B. On both sides, on the left of B, on the right of B, and on the left of B both. Then by considering those 2 integers on the 2 sides of B, then we can find the value for B. As B is an integer, you try to find the integer between 5 and 7, because 5 and 7 are the integers on less than B and more than B. Integer more than B is 7, integer less than B is 5, then you get the integer between 5 and 7, that is more than 5 and less than 7. The only integer more than 5 and less than 7 is 6. Okay, right. We did. Oh. Now next one. To do the next one, I have to erase of this. You stop the video and have a look at that. Right. Then next one, second question, question 2. Question 2, they say draw the following straight lines on the grid. Right. They have given a grid there. Then they have given several equations of straight lines. Then you are asked to draw those straight lines on the grid. Right. Right now we'll do. This must be the grid. Okay. Okay. Now here they say we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here why? Okay. Right like this. Then they ask you to draw first one. First line to be drawn is y equals 1. Now y equals 1 means this one here. Then y equals 1. Then it goes through y-axis at 1 like this. Okay. Right. Right. This y equals 1. This is the line y equals 1. Goes through 1 of y-axis. Then next line. X equals 2. It goes through x equals 2 goes through 2 of x-axis. Then let's like this. Parallel to y-axis like this. Okay. Like that. This is called x equals 2. That is that line. It is parallel to y-axis. Then this y equals 1 is parallel to x-axis. Right. The next one. There is a x plus 7. X plus 7. Then we will do some calculation. X plus 7, there are two variables here. Then we will find the y value when x is 0. X equals 7, sorry. That is y is 7. When x is 0, y is 7. X is 0 here. X is 0, y is 7. That means here. Then we will find the y x value when y is 0. X plus 0. Substitute 0 for y. Then again x equals 7. Then y is 0, x is also 7. Then this one. This point. But this thing is not long enough for that. We'll try to get it. My ruler is not long enough, but we will try to do as. Yeah, see. Yeah, fortunately, yes. Okay, this is what? This is y equals x plus y equals what? 7. Okay, we have drawn all three lines now. Okay, now what do we have to do? Now they say that is first part. First part A and part B both on the same diagram we have to do, right? Then we shade the region R that satisfies the inequalities y greater than y equals 1, x greater than equals 1, s plus y less than equals 7. Then they ask you to shade the region that satisfies the region R. There is a region called R. Then that region R satisfies these inequalities. What are the inequalities? Y greater than or equals what? These are the inequalities. Right? Then these are the inequalities here. Y greater than or equals y. Then x greater than or equals 2. The other one, x plus y less than or equals 7. Okay. So these are the inequalities. Now we have to find the region satisfying these three inequalities. Right. Okay. And name that region R. Okay. Then we will take that. They take this one. Y greater than or equals 1. Y greater than y. Here y equals on this line at any point. On this line y equals 1 at any point. Y value is 1. Then y value is 1. They say y greater than 1 means now by this line the coordinate plane is divided into three regions. One is y equals 1, other one is y less than 1, otherwise y more than. Now, if you take this number line y axis here in these values, here a 1, here 0.5, 0, minus 1, this is y less than 1. Then if you take this one, then region above, it will be this value y 2, 3, 4, they are all greater than 1. Therefore, region y greater than or equals 1 is this region. From this line upwards. Right. Okay. Then other one is what? X greater than or equals 2. Then take the equation x equals straight line x equals 2. On any point on this straight line x equals 2, x value is 2 here, 2 here, everywhere. Then if you come this left side, x here 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, then all are less than 2. Then take the right side, then it's a 3, 4, 5, all are greater than 2. Therefore, x greater than 2 means this right side. Okay, where 2 or equal to 2, right? Then they say what? X plus y less than or equals 7. Then you take this line like this. Line like this. Now, if you take a line like this, below this area is y less. Above this area is y more. Again, if you take a line like this, above this area y more, below this area y less. Therefore, now this line is a line like this. Then they say y less than or equals to y less than or equals to means area below this, like region below this line. All right. Now we have to take the common region satisfying all three inequalities. Common region satisfying all three inequalities. Then from this line, this region, upper region. From this line, lower region, region below. From this line, region rightward, region rightward. Therefore, common region will be this one, and this one, this region, this triangle. This will be R. Okay, that is done. Question 3. An aeroplane, right? An aeroplane travels 3,980 kilometers in 5 hours and 24 minutes. 5 hours and 24 minutes. I will resolve this. Right. Now, this is question 3. An aeroplane travels 3,980 kilometers. 3,980 kilometers. This is the distance travel. Okay. Then before that it has taken 5 hours and 24 times. Then time taken equals how much? 5 hours and 24 minutes. 5 hours and 24 minutes. It has taken 5 hours and 24 minutes, right? Then to travel this, they ask work out the average speed of this aeroplane in kilometers per hour, right? To the nearest whole number, right? Then what we have to do? Then you get this distance travel and speed equals average speed equals distance divided by time. Distance divided by time. Then we are asked to find the average speed in kilometers per hour. The time has been given in two components. One is hours and other one is minutes. Then these minutes have to be converted into what? Hours. To convert minutes into hours, you divide minutes by 60. Then it will be how much? This 12 times, how much? 12 times 5. Okay, like this. Then this much of hours, then total time will be 5 hours and 2 over 5 hours. That means 2 over 5 hours. Okay, that is that much. Then you come to this substitute. Distance is 3980. Then this time is 5, 2 over 5. Then 3980. Let's make this improper fraction. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 2 is 27 and over 2. Then this one 3980. Take this fraction upside down. Then fraction up, then turns upside down. It becomes 2 over 27. Okay, now we use the calculator. That is 3980. Then multiplied by 2 over 27. Sorry, here it is, I made a mistake here. Here 5 times 5 is 25 plus 2, 27. Then what is here is 5. Sorry, not 2. Okay. Okay, 3980 into 5 over 27, then equals 737.037. Now they ask to nearest whole number. Nearest to whole number means nearest unit. That means how much? Units value is 7. Then the first decimal is less than 5. Therefore, no addition. 737 kilometers per hour. Okay, that is the answer. Right. Here the time is was not given in only hours. It has been given in hours and minutes. Therefore, we have to convert this 24 into 24 minutes into hours as the answer is expected in kilometers per hour. Therefore, total time must be in hours. Then to convert 24 into 24 minutes into hours, then you divided 24 by 60 as there are 60 minutes for an hour. Then 24 divided by 60 was 2 over 5. Then 2 over 5 hours plus 5 hours. Then 5 hours. Then that is the time to be taken. Here we then 3,980 kilometers were divided by 205 hours. Then 5 2 5 hours. Then to convert that 5,205 into an improper fraction to divide, that is 2705. Then this fraction was taken up, then it turned upside down. Then that 2705 becomes 527 multiplied by 3,980. Then after simplifying, we got 3,337.037 and blah 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 decimal places. Then you got here, then therefore asked to find the average speed in kilometers per hour near to nearest whole number. Then we rounded this 737.039 to nearest whole number, that is to nearest unit. Then answer was 737 kilometers per hour. Right, okay, that's all. Then go to the next question, that is question 4. So question 4 asks you to show something here. They say question 4, show that 5/1/3 minus 2/6/7 equals to 10/21. We have to show that this is equal to this. Then we will simplify this and show that answer is equal to that one. That's all we have to do. Then take this first of all. Here there are two easiest way to do it. There are two mixed numbers. In mixed numbers there are whole number part. This here whole number part is 5, here number part is -2. Then separately we simplify the whole numbers. Then we separately simplify the fractional numbers. Then therefore we will separate the whole numbers and fractions like this: 5 -2 plus, because this whole number is plus. Then 1/3 is also plus. Then this whole number is negative. This 6/7 is also negative. Okay. Right. Then we 5 -2 is 3. Then plus. Then here we have to find the LCM as denominators are not the same. Say a common denominator has to be found. The common denominator is the LCM of the denominators. What is the LCM of 3 and 7? That is 21. No problem. Because both are prime numbers, therefore just straight away you can multiply and get as both denominators are prime numbers. Then common denominator is 21. Then 3 times 4, 21, 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Then this 3 comes as it is. Then here this 3 times 4, 7 times 4, 21 is 3. Then 6 times 3 is how much? 18. Okay. Then you add those two together. Then 3 plus 7, 8, 15 and 20. Is that correct? 7, 8. 7, 8. How much? 15 or 25. Is there a mistake in the question? (5/1/3 minus 2 6/7). Yes. And so that 2, 10 or 21. We will see. We have made a mistake. You see. Here this one is 7. 7 times 4, 21 is 3. 3 times 6 is how much? 18 minus. Like that. Okay. Then 7 minus 8, 18, how much? Minus 11, right? Yeah, minus 11 over 21. Okay. Now minus 11 over. Now here, what I have got here, my negative fraction, then here positive fraction. Therefore, we have to, you can write this as 3, you can write as 2 plus 1. Then minus 11 over 21. Like that you can write. Okay. Then this positive sign is useless. Right here, like so. Okay. Then you can write this 1 as 21 over 21. Then minus 11 over 21. We wrote this 1 as 21 over 21 for our convenience to simplify this fraction minus 11 over 21. Then 2 plus, because we want to get another fraction here. To convert 1 into a fraction with denominator negative, denominator 21. Then denominators are equal. Our simplification is 21 minus 11 is 10 over 21. And then 2 plus 10 over 21 means 2, 10 over 21, correct. Okay. Right. Okay, with that we finish this video. There's, I think, no, time does not allow us to continue. Then have a nice time and see you and wish you a nice day and expecting to meet you in another interesting video.